In this video, I will show you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks. So I'm ready to create my first invoice. From the dashboard, I can either click on create invoices or I can go to the top menu, select customer and then click create invoice. From here, I will choose a customer from the drop down menu. For this example, I'm going to enter Rachel the customer. On the right hand side, I will change the template from a product invoice to a professional invoice. Next, I will set the date and modify the invoice number. I'm starting the invoice number 2000 because starting at number 1 makes the business looks brand new. 2. Under bill 2, I will set the payment terms to due in 15 days. Then under items, I will select hourly consulting. I will enter 1 unit representing 1 hour of consulting at $175. That's all I need for the invoice. A customer message in the lower left hand corner. For example, I might write, "It's been a pleasure to work with you." Once everything looks correct, I will click Save and Close. QuickBooks may ask if I want to make the new terms permanent for this customer. I will select Yes. The invoice has now been created. To view the invoice, I can go back to the invoice screen using the back arrow. If I want to print the invoice, I can click the printer icon at the top of the screen. Since I am not actually printing, I will select Preview instead. This gives me a look at the invoice, and as you can see, it is not very visually appealing. We will work on improving the design in another video. To the right of the printing option, there is also an email option which allows you to send the invoice directly to your customer. I will cover the process in a future tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.